Here's a quick demo of the code I've written thus far. This is running on a simple Mega 2560 R3. I also have the PCA 9685 in there as well. I tried executing the control with a simple joystick and a rotary encoder, and I decided I liked the operation of the analog joystick better. And part of my issue was I have two steering modes, a normal steering and a crab steering, and I was trying to integrate that into a single device, which I think I've accomplished here with a simple joystick. So if I move the joystick to the left or right, you can see that I have four-wheel steering, front and rear turn opposite directions, and I've scaled that down. Once I get the motors working, I'll probably scale those down so they don't turn as much even more. And then if I hold the joystick down, it goes into crab mode, and now when I turn to the left or the right, all six wheels execute through a full 180 degrees of motion.